In this one, we have a poem by Sylvia Plath, and we're going to look at metaphors. I'm a riddle in 9 syllables, an elephant, a ponderous house, a melon strolling on 2 tendrils, oh, red fruit, ivory, fine timbers. This loaf's big with its yeasty rising, money's new minted in this fat purse. I'm a means, a stage, a cow in calf. I've eaten a bag of green apples, boarded the train, there's no getting off. We see some metaphors here that are somewhat difficult to understand. I'm a riddle in 9 syllables. I'm an elephant, a ponderous house. What is a ponderous house? A house that ponders or a house that's being pondered? A melon strolling on 2 tendrils. We have to know what a tendril is. A tendril is kind of like a stem. And so if it's rolling on 2 tendrils, rolling on these 2 stems, which might be fragile, or maybe the melon is heavy or outweighs the legs or the arms, or we get these weird metaphors and we have to kind of figure out what they mean. In looking at these metaphors, then we need to find maybe something common between them. So we look at an elephant. So if somebody says they're an elephant, maybe they feel overweight, or maybe having this big burden about them. A melon, again, strolling on 2 tendrils. We feel that weight that's being put on these 2 small vines. We look at the line, money's new minted in this fat purse. So we think of a fat purse, and then we get maybe something a little bit more easy to understand. I'm a means, a stage, a cow in calf. So we're looking at somebody who is pregnant, and this is how she's feeling. She's feeling big. She's feeling like again, a melon strolling on 2 tendrils, a cow and calf, an elephant, a house. We see all of these kind of images of pregnancy and how she's feeling during this time. And with that, we get other images. Oh, red fruit, ivory, fine timbers. Maybe we can see that there is some excitement here. Red fruit is ripe, ivory or fine timbers. Is she creating something great here? Once we understand that this is a poem about pregnancy, now we can start to reread lines and see how they fit within this idea. I'm a riddle in 9 syllables. We think of those 9 months of pregnancy. And by saying I'm a riddle, maybe she's experiencing new things each month. In addition, we now see that there are actually 9 lines here as well. And so we're getting more information that supports this idea that this is about a pregnancy, which is interesting. She doesn't actually come out and say that this is about a pregnancy. She uses these metaphors to maybe show you more of how she's feeling rather than just the biological aspects of being pregnant. We look at the final lines. I've eaten a bag of green apples. What happens when we eat green apples? Sometimes we become sick, and so maybe she's having morning sickness. Boarded the train, there's no getting off. Okay, there's no turning back now. She's suffering these things, she's feeling these ways, but she's going to have the child. We can also look at lines like, this loaf's big with its yeasty rising. She's continuing to gain weight, or her stomach is continuing to expand. So as we look at the metaphors that are being used, we can start to create some type of image or meaning within the poem itself.